Hello there. If you are facing the Photos app crashing in Windows 11 and Windows 10, then this video tutorial is gonna help you. On Start, type Photos. Right-click, App Settings. Scroll down. Click on Repair. Repair is done. Simply reset it. Reset is also finished. Now close it. Come to CMD and open as administrator. Type the command. Press Enter. It will scan the system and will fix the crashing issue at its best. When done, simply restart the PC. I am skipping this part. The PC is restarted. From now on, you won't face the issue of Photos app crashing. Let me know further in the comment box. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.